Why it's simple? Why you can see it's a simple? Okay. Simple means what? It is easy to write. So we are learning the before 50 years old programming language. ठीक है, तो उस टाइम पे वो फर्स्ट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज थी, उनके आगे कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं थी, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे न्यू लैंग्वेज आती गई, तो उस टाइम पे हम बोलते थे कि इट्स द मोस्ट पावरफुल फीचर्स. सो वेब डिज़ाइनिंग के पहले, वेब इंट्रोड्यूस होने के पहले सॉफ्टवेयर इंट्रोड्यूस हो गए थे, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट्स that is run on the single computer. After that, a web development started from 90s, 1991s. So the C is used for mostly for hardwares. In the hardware, or you can say in the application development also. Okay, so the simple means C is a simple programming language. So easily you can write, and it has some structure approach, so that we can break the problems into the small part. Okay, so this statement I am going to write. C is a simple language. Nowadays, you can also say Python is a simple language because its syntax is look like as a English statement. Okay, we are learning the 50-year-old programming language. Okay, C is a simple language in the sense means what? It provides structure approach. It's provide a structure approach because see here how can write this program जैसे हम लिखते हैं wait main function. The execution of the C program is always start from the main function. Then we can write here the some block of code, or you can say the statements. We can write statement 1, statement 2. Again we can use here the block. Okay, we can use here the block, right? It's depend on you how many block you want to use. Okay, statement 2, that is also things means these problems are were divided into the part. This is one part. Okay, we can use again this one part. We can write in this block, this block, this block, this block, right? These are the some parts. So it's a structural. That you can say that is what it is, structural. That means we can say it is structure approach. So the C is a simple language in the sense that it provide a structure approach. So you can write in the code like as a structure approach. Means in this bracket I am writing here to break the problems into parts. Again, C is a simple for what? It has a rich library. Library functions are there. If you want to find the logarithm, log to the base 10 or anything, if you want to find a log of 20, so it is difficult to find. Okay, so we have the directly function log of 20 means you can take here n, and n may be anything. So suppose I am considering n is equal to 50. So log of 50 I want to find. Okay, so there is a one direct function means log of 50. Okay, so you can store in any variable, right? So to use this function, we have the library. What is that? This function is available in which library? Math.h library. Okay, this is what library, math.h. If you not include this file, if you not include this library, so you will get error here. Okay, you will get error here. So you must to include this library because this function is available in the this library, right? Also, if you want to find the sine, cosine, okay, anything. If you want to find the power, means I want to find 5 to the power 10. Okay, 5 to the power 10. You can find the square. Okay, we can find a cube, so you can write here. So this POW, it makes it very easy because this is the predefined functions are available in which library? Math library. Embedded students means जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाले स्टूडेंट्स है जो embedded system का यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, so in the C, using the C language, we have their embed.h. We have to include their embed.h. Okay, that is header file. So C provides such a big libraries. Okay, so that makes it development makes easy. So that's why I'm writing here that point. And reach a set of library functions. Rich set of library functions and data types, etc. Okay, because we have the data types, so which type of data that will be represent, and we are going to store that one. That's why we can say it's a simple programming language.